Hello guys and welcome back to your channel. I love 164. What we are going to see today, what we see here, that's what we unbox. We are going to do the unboxing of this RB VCARB 01 number 22 from 2024 F1 Bahrain GP. Let's open this up. I have nothing to do with the boxes, still I keep them intact because I like keeping them intact. Because maybe someday if I think of letting any of these cars go, at least the other collector can enjoy this whole thing, the box and everything. So just so you guys like to see, this is the back of the card, of the box. These are the side and blah blah. And let's open this up now. Yeah. Are you ready for the F1 car? And here we present you the RB VCARB 01 number 22. This is your car. Wow. I do not have any single car from this Visa team, and this is cool color to have. Most of the fun cars looks same to me. I'm not a very big fan of these cars, or I mean the F1 racing. I don't know much about it. So this is your base. We have some good aerodynamic details over here, and we have two screws here. These are really non-threaded wheels. I don't know why you are spending so much and still no threads. And let me focus the camera actually. Yeah, this is your stop light. We have silencer here, we have Visa here on the spoiler. Let's see the side profile of the car. It looks really cool. It looks really cool actually. It says Visa. We have all the sponsors here. There is one sponsor here, I don't know. It's Hugo, I think. And some detailings over here as well. This is carbon fiber. This is carbon fiber. This is normal fiber. So we have Red Bull logo over here. It's a sister team of the Red Bull, that's why. The number 22, the Honda, because the engine belongs to Honda. We have driver sitting inside, but before that, let's see from the front. We have all the spoilers, all the sponsors, I'm sorry, over here on the front spoiler. And there are some good detailings and some good sponsors over here. I really like the frame, the way they created it. They gave this carbon fiber look and it looks really cool. And these are the rear views. This is the strongest part of the car. I don't know, this is a scoop I think on the hood. So I noticed that there is this fin here and it's not on the other side. It's probably a camera, I think, right? This one. And we have this driver inside. You see, let me show you closely. We have all the details of the helmet, and the driver is sitting in the white. Probably have abs as well. Really nice casting, really cool. Now let's focus it here and let's try to roll it. Let's see how does this roll. Yeah, we can send it to that one. It rolls good. See, it rolls really well. And On the spoiler also, actually, we have some detailings. You see the cash app. I don't know, it's Orlan. Which company is this? But it's a nice car, right? It's a really nice looking casting. And I already have few F1s from Mini GT already here. So I'm going to add this in between those. Let's do one thing. Let's do it here on camera. I'll just adjust all these a little here, and I'll put this car as well. Oh my god, my driver fall down. He's probably dead now. No, he's alive. See, he's still happy even though he falls. Oh my god, I probably am going to kill it. Let's put this here. This is a very tiny driver. It doesn't stand up. Let's throw it out for now. Let's put these cars here instead. Yeah. So there is enough space, I think. Now let's put this on the side so that our car can go inside. Zoom zoom. Okay. It's going well. Okay, yeah, it is parked well. Yeah, looks cool, right? Looks really cool. Let me zoom in. Let me zoom in, guys, for you. Let's see if I can adjust it a little. Oh yeah, better. Now let's try to place this guy. Probably I'll fail putting it here. Yeah, see, let's keep it up. Close this lid. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and let me know if I need to help that driver off or not, because he really didn't want my help. He just wanted to lie down. Probably he is very tired of all the races. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Till then, goodbye.